I will show you in this video how to delete your Botim account easy and quick. So let's start. Open your Botim first. Go directly click here. Right now go click on account and go to manage my account. You will find here this red delete my account, click. You will wait little. It will take you to this page. We will choose the reason that why you want to delete your account. For example, Botim is not working. Click delete my account, and you have to write a passcode, and that's it. So don't forget to support us by like and subscribe if you found this video useful, and bye.